Mr. Dowson, thanks very much for the interview on behalf of the British Free Press. I believe you were at court yesterday. Can you give us an update on that?
Yes, as much as I can. I'm under such draconian bail conditions that I can't actually mention much, but I'm up on 11 charges relating to the recent shenanigans in Belfast, and I'm quite sure most folk will know what's been going on there concerns these objects, which I love very dearly. Anyway, up at court yesterday, having to represent myself because I cannot afford to pay lawyers and barristers and all the rest of it, and I've been refused legal aid. Now, I'm in business, I make a reasonable living, but I'm not a wealthy man, and I can't afford £200,000-300,000 to fight a court case. It's ridiculous, unless I want to make myself homeless. But anyway, while I was at court, there was Poles, Lithuanians, Arabs, various types of Africans who were all up on various charges, from sex offences to serious assaults to car thefts, all the rest of it. And guess what? None of them spoke a word of English, and every one of them had an interpreter, all paid for by people like me who've contributed to the economy for the last 35 years I've been working for. 35 years. But I find myself completely isolated and unable to access proper legal representation because I can't afford it, even though I've paid into the system all my bloody life. But these fellas just pitch up in Britain, they're just off the boat, can't speak a word of bloody English, and they've got legal aid and interpreters and all sorts of things going on for them. But I have to go to the High Court now and represent myself in a case concerning 11 very serious charges for being a British citizen. This is what's wrong with Britain. It's a madhouse. It's lunacy. But that's where we are. So anybody watching this who thinks, the law is just and all the rest of it, well, maybe it is, if you can get access to it. And you can only get access to it, it seems these days, if you're a Jeremy Kyler or you're a bloody foreigner pitching up here doing nothing. If you're like me, and unfortunate enough to have to work for a living, your access to justice is extremely restricted unless you want to sell your house and make yourself homeless to pay for the lawyers. So that's where we are in Britain. But rest assured, I shall fight on, and I've got a good tongue in my head, so I'll do my very best, and I'll certainly fight these charges every single step of the way. And I'd like to thank the people out there for their marvellous support and good wishes and kind comments they've been sending me. So thank you very much indeed. I wish you all the very best, and I'll keep you updated for my next court appearance, which is Monday. Thank you very much.
Thank you.